Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you traders out there. How to link or connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5 in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular platforms for Forex and CFD trading, and connecting it to Exness gives you access to real-time data, advanced charts, and seamless trading. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have the MetaTrader 5 app downloaded on your device. You can get it from the official MetaTrader website or your app store, it's free. Once that's installed, open the app and look for the File menu at the top. Click on Open an Account, or Log in to Trade Account, if you already have one. Next, you'll need your Exness login details. Head over to the Exness website, log into your account, and navigate to the Trading Platforms section. There, you'll find your server details and account number. Copy these down because you'll need them. Back in MetaTrader 5, select Exness from the list of brokers or manually enter the server address provided by Exness. Now, enter your Exness account number, password, and select the server. Hit Login, and voila! Your accounts should connect. If you're on a demo account, make sure to choose that option. Once connected, you can start exploring the platform. Check out the Market Watch for live quotes, set up indicators, or place your first trade. A quick tip: if you run into errors, like connection issues, double-check your internet, ensure your Exness account is verified, and update MetaTrader 5 to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Always trade responsibly and use demo accounts to practice first. There you have it. That's how you link Exness to MetaTrader 5 in just a few simple steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.